Hi guys, welcome to Programming Academic channel. Today we are going to learning how to use workflows. So how to filter, and then we use or and how to use. So we have two different columns, and then we want to find uh, Adam or Yahya. So how to find that one? Let's go to use like that, and to find out to use an or. So select star from employee table where a gender equal to male, and now we use an on what age age greater than 30. Last to run. Yes, we already got Osman, and also we can use it listen. Yes, we don't have, right? So like this guys, how to become a full stack uh, data science, how to become a full stack data engineer in SQL language. Huh? You can do it whatever you want, right? And to become a full stack data engineers. Look, so we have a 35 and 30, right? And listen, okay, you can make a greater than. Also, it's all work, right? Do you have it? We don't have. So, guys, like this, how to become a full stack data science in SQL language. We are guys going to learning all the SQL language step by step. You are going to learning everything. I'm happy to here to help you guys. If you're new here, like subscribe Programming Academic, then let's to learning these amazing things together and to become a full stack data science or to find our dreams job. So after this full stack guys, you are going to find take this to portfolio you are going to use in your next high-tech companies interview. You are going to get your dreams job. So see you in my next tutorial.